Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. I'm so glad that you're here. It is an asynchronous day, but I still wanted to jump on and say hello. So today is November 6th, 2020, and well, we don't have anything to put in our meets chat because, well, we're not live today. But we'll pick it back up on Monday, I promise. Okay, so what's on the agenda for today? I'm going to post the division song on the stream page if you want to go listen to it. Y'all already know that's my jam. I've been singing it all week. So if you want to listen to it again or if you want to have it for future references, it'll be there. You're also going to be working on some independent practice. You are going to do another assignment using your division by place value. It's on ClassKick and it's called Division by Place Value Part 2. It looks just like the one that we did yesterday. And then you are going to work on some Imagine Math. For science, you are going to finish your Classifying Matter Explore journal. You're finishing the second slide. And I created a PowerPoint with all of the information that you need in order to fill in the second slide. And I'll go through that in just a second. And then you need to finish your studies weekly, week 9, 10, and 11. I will be checking those on Monday. Some announcement. Check the stream page for your assignment list for today and when you need to log in to our classroom meets so that you can meet with Ms. Torres if you have any questions, and that way that she can check in and just make sure that you are here. That way I can take attendance. And then also remember that you need to log into your ClassKick. Don't just type in your name. And then our quote of the week, what we've been working on all week, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So while you're going through your weekend, while you're going through today, you might experience some things that are positive and you might experience some things that are negative. But the rest of your day and kind of how you think about that and how people see you is all determined on how you react to that situation. So keep that in mind this weekend while you go do the things that you're doing this weekend. Okay, so we're going to go to our Google Classroom. As you can see on the stream page, I have posted, it says click on the Google Docs to see the schedule and when Ms. Torres is logging in. You need to log in and check in, or for a check-in, and you can ask any questions whenever she's on the call. She'll be on the call for about 30 or 45 minutes, depending on how many questions that you have. So I'm going to click on that document so you can see it really quickly. It just says asynchronous work and schedule for today's date. So my homeroom, you are in green, and Mr. Chavaria's homeroom, you are in blue. My homeroom, Ms. Torres, will be checking in at 10 a.m. You need to make sure that you are on at 10 a.m. so that she can take attendance. And then Mr. C's homeroom, she will be on at 1:30 for any questions and also to take attendance for me for the afternoon. So both classes, what you're doing. On ClassKick, I have assigned the Division by Place Value Part 2. You need to get that done. It's only 5 questions, so you should be able to get it done without having to work on it this weekend. Then, like I said in the morning slides, you need to finish slide 2 of your Classifying Matter Explore journal. Then you need to finish your studies weekly, week 9, 10, and 11. And if you finish all 3 of those and you still have time before either lunch or before the end of the day, then you need to be working on Imagine Math. Remember, we are trying to get to 35 passed lessons. If you can pass 35 lessons, then you are going to be good to go for the rest of 4th grade. Okay, so going to our Classworks tab, you can see that I've already added the assignment for today. So if you click on it, it already has the link attached there. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. It looks just like the one that we did yesterday. It just says Part 2 on it. It has the exact same directions. I have your vocabulary here. And I also added this little box down here that says you can either use the pen tool and draw out your place values, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper or a whiteboard. Take a picture of it and post it on the slide. Slide 2, I've done another example, so you can look at that. You can also look at your notes. We took 2 days worth of notes for this. And then slide 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, these are the slides that you are going to be doing. Make sure that you're typing your answer into the boxes. All right, let's go back to our Google Classroom. Then after that, you are going to go to your Classify Matter Explore journal. It's going to be a little ways down, but you'll click on that, click on View Assignment. Okay, so we did start it. We did the first slide together as a class earlier this week, but we never had enough time to do the second slide. So I have created a Google Slides that you will click on, and it looks like this. So it just has your, intro page, and then every page has directions on it, and it has a picture for you to read. So this one, for example, is water, and it tells you read the thermometer and fill in the blank for the temperature for water that's on the Explore Journal slide 2. There's a little note down here that says if you can't see the numbers right here, then you can click on the zoom that's in your top bar, and you can make it bigger. So let me do that. So I'm going to click on I'm going to try to. I have to move my face. Okay, so I'm going to click on the zoom, and then whenever I hover over, there's a little magnifying glass. So I'm going to come over here to my measurement, and I'm just going to click until I can read it better, okay? There's also a reminder that each one of these tick marks is skip counting by 2. So 60, 62, 64, 66. So I will know if you watched this video because I just gave you that answer. Okay, and then so you have water, ice, water vapor, and then you have a couple more for the questions. Make sure that you turn the slides in on Google Classroom when you're done. That way I know that you finished it, it's turned in, and I can go back and look at it. The last thing that you need to do is your Studies Weekly. Using your Google Classroom, go find the Studies Weekly app and make sure that week 9, week 10, and week 11, your little circles are all the way filled to 100%. Okay? So it's going to be a good day. You're going to get everything done. When you're finished with that, you are going to work on Imagine Math for the rest of the time. Okay? Everything needs to be done by Monday. So if you don't have enough time today, I'm checking grades on Monday. Everything that we're doing today is for a grade. It's going in the gradebook. It will be in the gradebook for progress reports. I love you. I miss you. And on Monday, everything will go back to normal. I will be back. We'll do everything live. And yes, be good for Mr. C and tell him that I said hi. That's another way that I'll know that you watched this video. So, all right. Have a good day. If you have any questions, Ms. Torres will be online at 10 o'clock for my homeroom and at 1:30 for Mr. C's homeroom. I love y'all. I love you. Have a good day. I already miss you, and it's not even tomorrow yet. Bye.